at the zoo. It's feeding time at the zoo. The animals are hungry. Drag the food from the crates to feed the animals. The monkey is very hungry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you for feeding the monkey 6 tasty bananas. The turtle wants to munch on 5 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for feeding the turtle 5 crunchy carrots. The bat is very, very hungry. Give him 7 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you for feeding the bat 7 sweet bananas. Count the animals. Find the crate with the number that is the same as or equal to the number of animals. Find the crate with the same number of fish as there are sea lions. Sea lion, sea lion. Feed each sea lion a fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for feeding 4 sea lions 4 yummy fish. Which crate has the same number of bananas as there are bats? Give each bat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 bats are thrilled with their 6 yellow bananas. Which crate has the same number of carrots as there are turtles? Feed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 turtles really like their crunchy carrots. It's fun to feed the animals. Feed them as much food as you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's enough food for that animal. The turtle can't wait to munch on the crunchy carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's enough food for that animal. The bat is very hungry. Give him some bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's enough food for that animal.